Welcome back to the Car Enthusiast, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and best-selling cars of all time, the Toyota Corolla. Known for its reliability, efficiency, and affordability, the Corolla has been a favorite among car buyers for decades. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, specifications, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the Toyota Corolla features a sleek and modern design that combines style with aerodynamics. The front end is bold, with a sharp grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a sporty appearance. The sculpted lines along the body enhance its dynamic look, while the alloy wheels and available two-tone color options add a touch of sophistication. The rear end is equally impressive, with stylish taillights and a well-integrated bumper design. Whether you choose the sedan or hatchback variant, the Corolla stands out as a stylish yet practical choice. Moving inside, the Corolla offers a comfortable and well-designed cabin that caters to both the driver and passengers. The materials used in the interior are high quality, with soft touch surfaces and available leather-trimmed seats providing a premium feel. The dashboard is clean and modern, featuring a user-friendly infotainment system with a touchscreen display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. The driver's seat is designed for comfort on long journeys, with good visibility and an ergonomic layout of controls. Rear passengers enjoy decent legroom, and the trunk space is generous, making it a practical car for everyday use. Higher trims offer extras like a premium JBL sound system, a digital instrument cluster, and ambient lighting, enhancing the overall driving experience. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla comes with multiple engine options, depending on the trim level and market. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a balance of power and fuel efficiency, producing around 169 horsepower. For those looking for even better fuel economy, there's also a hybrid variant, which pairs a 1.8-liter engine with an electric motor to provide impressive mileage figures. Transmission options include a smooth shifting CVT or a 6-speed manual for those who enjoy a more engaging driving experience. The Corolla's suspension setup ensures a comfortable ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease while maintaining stability through corners. Toyota's advanced safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, comes standard across all trims, making it one of the safest options in its class. When it comes to pricing, the Toyota Corolla remains one of the most affordable and value-packed vehicles in the market. The base model starts at around $22,000, offering a solid package of features for budget-conscious buyers. Mid-level trims with more advanced technology and comfort features are priced between $25,000 and $27,000. The hybrid variant, which provides excellent fuel savings, is slightly higher, starting at approximately $24,000. For those who want a sportier touch, the Corolla XSE trim, with its more aggressive styling and performance upgrades, can go up to $30,000. Given its reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs, the Corolla remains a smart investment for anyone looking for a dependable daily driver. With its stylish design, comfortable interior, efficient powertrains, and top-tier safety features, the Toyota Corolla continues to be a top choice for buyers worldwide. Whether you're a first-time car owner, a commuter looking for efficiency, or someone who simply wants a hassle-free driving experience, the Corolla delivers on all fronts. Let us know in the comments what you think about the latest Toyota Corolla. Would you choose the sedan or the hatchback? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Car Enthusiast. See you in the next video.